Now we are starting paper 2 of this set 1. The instructions are given here. It is non-calculator paper, 25 minutes, 20 questions are there. So the instructions are there for each part. Calculator is not permitted. The rest of the things you can go through this. These are the formulas. And now we start our question 1 of this. A painter will paint n walls with the size of the shape in a building using a specific brand of paint. The painter's fee can be calculated by the expression NKLH, where n is the number of the walls, K is the constant with the unit of the dollars per square foot, L is the length of each wall in the feet, and H is the height of each wall in the feet. If the customers ask to paint to use a more expensive brand of the paint, which of the following factors in this expression would change? We know that when they are going to use an expensive brand for that paint, then N is not going to be changed because the walls are remaining same. K, L is not being changed because L is going to mention there the length of each wall in the feet, and H is also not changed because it is the height of each wall in the feet. Only the factor K will be changed because it is a constant with the unit of the dollars per squares. So if more squares are there, then it will be costing more there. So for this factor NKLH, if it is the cost, then only K is the factor which is going to change the cost of that. So this is the option C there. So C is the option for this part of this question number 1. Now question number 2. If 3r is equal to 18, what is the value of 6r plus 3? Since 3r is equal to 18, so this implies that r is equal to 18 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. And the value of 6r plus 3 is equal to 6r is 6 there plus 3, so that is equal to 39. So the answer for this part is D. Then question number 3. Which of the following is equivalent to a power 2 by 3 for all these values? A power 2 by 3. The first expression there is part A power 1 over 3 square root. So a power 1 over 3 square root will be equal to a power 1 by 3 power 1 by 2, or that is equal to a 1 by 6. It is not the answer of this. B part, a cube and then square root, which is equal to a cube power half, and that thing is equal to a power 3 by 2. That is also not there. C part, a power 1 by 2 cubic root. A power 1 by 2 and then the cubic root. This means a power 1 by 2 power 1 by 3, or that is equal to a power 1 by 6. It is not the answer there. Then the last part is a square cubic root. Which is equal to a square power 1 by 3, or that thing is equal to a power 2 by 3, and that is the required answer there. So D part is the right choice of this question number 3 there. Question number 4. The number of the states that joined the United States between 1776 and 1849 is twice the number of the states that joined between 1850 to 1900. If 30 states joined the United States between 1776 to 1839, and X is the states that joined between 1850 to 1900, then what of the following equations represents the true thing? We know that from this, the number of the states which are going to be joined in that 1770, so 1850 to 1900, is, let's say, they are X. So twice of this number will be equal to 2X. And 2X is equal to 30, or X is equal to 15. So we can see that what they are asking, that you have to give the expression which is true there. So that is B there, which is 2X is equal to 30. So B choice is the right choice of this, as 2X is equal to 30, because that number is twice of the numbers of that which is in the first part, that is 30 there. Now, question number 5. If x over 5 over x is equal to 15 over x plus 20, then what is the number of the value of x over 5? So you have to find out x over 5 to that. So we know that if we cross multiply, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 3x is equal to x plus 20, or 2x is equal to 20, or x is equal to 10. So when x is equal to 10, then we are going to find out x over 5. So 10 over 5 is equal to 2. So this 2 is the answer of this question number. C is the answer of this choice. Question number 6 now. 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 14, and 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 6. If xy is the solution to this system of the equations above, what is the value of x minus y? So this is a two simultaneous equations, and we have to get the values of x minus y there. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 14. The other equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 6. So we can either make x and y, any one of that equal. So you multiply this by 3 and this whole expression by 2. So this will become 6x minus 9y is equal to minus 42, and 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. So this is plus, it is minus, this is minus, it will plus, this is minus, it will be plus. They are going to cancel out. 9y plus 4y is minus 5y is equal to minus 42 plus 12 minus 30. So y value is equal to 6. We can replace any value in this, either question 1 or 2. So 2x minus 3, y is 6, that is equal to minus 14. 2x is equal to minus 14 plus 18, that is equal to 4, or x is equal to 2. And we have to get the value of x minus y. So x is 2, y is 6 there. So that value is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 is the answer of this part C. Question number 7. This is the table shown there. X and f of x. When x is 0, f of x is 3. When x is 2, it is 1. Fx 4, then it is 0. For 5, it is minus 2. The function of f is defined for this polynomial. Some values of x and f of x are shown in the table above. Which of the following must be a factor of f of x there? So if x minus 2 is a factor, then x value will be 2. But the value of f of x is equal to 0, but it is 1. It is not true there. X minus 3. If x is equal to 3, then the value of this is not even shown in the table there. X minus 4. If x is 4, then the value of that thing is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to 0 because it is a factor. So C part is the answer of this question there. So for this question number 5, C part is the answer for x minus 4 when it is a factor of that. The line y is equal to kx plus 4, where k is a constant, is the graph shown in the xy plane. The line have the points CD, where C is not equal to 0 and D is not equal to 0. What is the slope of this line in terms of C and D there? So we are going to find out the value of the C and D. Because it is containing on that point CD. So you will put y is equal to kx plus 4. And the point is C and D there. So you put y equal to D and x is equal to C. So it is D, it is K into C plus 4. So you are going to find out the slope, which is the value of K there. So D minus 4 is equal to KC, or K value is equal to D minus 4 over C. So this is the answer of the slope there, because we know that the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of that line. So it is d minus 4 over c is the answer of A part. So A is the choice for this question number 8 there. Question number 9. Kx minus 3y is equal to 4. 4x minus 5y is equal to 7. In the system of the equations above, k is a constant and x, y are the variables. For what values of k will have the system of the equations have no solutions? So we know that they don't have any solution means that the slopes are equal. So we will first find the slope of these two equations and they are going to be equal, and then we can find out the value of k there. So kx minus 3y is equal to 4. And the second part of that is 4x minus 5y is equal to 7. So we know that, let's say the two lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes are equal and then they have no solution to that problem there. So we can find out m1 from this and m1 from this, and we can convert both of these two lines in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So where m is the slope of that line there. So we can, from this kx minus 4, so 3y is equal to kx minus 4, or y is equal to k over 3x minus 4 over 3. So the slope of this line first is k over 3. And for the second line, 4x minus 5y is equal to 7. So 5y is equal to 4x minus 7, or y is equal to 4 over 5x minus 7 over 5. So from this equation, the slope of this line is 4 over 5. Since these two are equal, so k over 3 must be equal to 4 over 5. Our k value is equal to 12 over 5. And this answer is 12 over 5 is the answer of this part here there. So this question have a solution is for that part there for this question number 9. Then we are going to solve this question number 10. In the xy plane, the parabola with the equation y is equal to x minus 11 whole square intersects the line with the equation y is equal to 25 at 2 points A and B. What is the length of AB? So they have given the points there. X minus 11 square is equal to 25. Is equal to y. and y is equal to 25. Since these two equations are both equivalent to y there, we know from this graph this is y is equal to 25 and this is the graph of y is equal to x minus 11 whole square. So these are the 2 points A and B. So mathematically we can calculate it x minus 11 whole square is equal to 25. X minus 11 is equal to plus minus 5 or x is equal to 11 plus 5 is 16 and 11 minus 5 is 6. So the points A and B are 16 and 25 and 6 and 25. And we are going to get the length of AB because only there is x coordinate is different. So AB length is equal to 16 minus 6 whole square plus 0 whole square and whole square root. 16 minus 6 is 10, 10 square is 100 and that value is equal to 10. So the length of AB is equal to 10, which is the part A there. So the answer of this question is the A part of this